Namaste. Today we will learn equation reducible to linear form. First question is 8x minus 3 by 3x is equal to 2. In this is not a linear equation because we can see the x term in the denominator. If it is a linear equation, then all the x variables will be in the numerator. Coefficients may or may not be fraction. It is not an issue here. For linear equation, variables must not be in denominator. Always variables must be in numerator. I will show you one thing that you will learn it later. That is, if it is 1 by x, then it means x raised to minus 1. Here we are not considering powers as negative because it is not linear. Linear means the power must be 1, not negative 1. 1 by x means the power is x raised to minus 1. Here 1 by 3x. This is 3x in denominator. So 1 by 3x means 3x raised to minus 1. Here this is not linear. In linear polynomial always the power should be 1. So first you want to make it as linear. For that you want to check whether it is whole by term. Yes, it is whole by denominator. So you can carry this to RHS. Now it becomes 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 into 3x. Now all are linear variables. That is, this is also 1, this is also 1. Now we can rewrite this 8x minus 3 equal to 2 into 3 is 6x. Now you can take this x variable to LHS, that is 8x minus 6x equal to minus 3 taken to RHS plus 3. 8 minus 6 is 2x equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. This is the solution. So this is how we change equations or variables to the linear form where they are in denominators. 9x by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Here 7 minus 6x. Actually 7 can be in denominator. But 6x must not be in denominator because this is a variable term. And I told you if variable comes in denominator, its power means not 1, it becomes minus 1. So it is not linear. So we have to make it as linear. For that we want to take this to RHS. But this is depending on this 7 also. So you can't simply take the 6x alone to RHS. You want to take the whole term to RHS. So 9x is equal to 15 will be outside the bracket because these are two terms. For both terms you want to multiply with 15. Inside the bracket 7 minus 6x is there. If it was simply 6x taking to RHS, you can write like this 15 into 6x. It was simple. But here we have another term with it, that is 7 minus. So you want to put a bracket here. Now you want to distribute this. That is 9x is equal to 15 into 7, that is 105, minus 15, 6's are 90x. Now you can take the variables to one part, that is 9x minus 90x becomes plus 90x is equal to 105. 90 plus 9 is 99x is equal to 105. X is equal to 105. This 99 going to RHS become denominator by 99. Now in this 99 and 105, 3 is a common factor. So we can divide it by 3. 3 in 10, 3 times. That is 3 3s are 9. Balance is 1 in 10. Now this becomes 15. In 15, 3 5 times. So 3 into 5 is 15. Now coming to denominator, 3 into what is 9? 3 3s are 9. Again in 9, 3 3s are 9. So 35 by 33. This is the least form. They have no common factor here. 35 by 33 is the value of x. Z by z plus 15 equal to 4 by 9. Now we have z plus 15 here. So you want to take the whole z plus 15 to RHS. Then it becomes 4 by 9 into z plus 15. You want to open this bracket with distributivity. Before that, there is a 9 outside the bracket. If it was inside the bracket like this, you can't take it to LHS. Here it is outside the bracket. So you can take it to LHS. that is 9z is equal to 4 into z plus 15. You can open with 4. 9z is equal to 4z plus 4 into 15 is 60. Now taking z's to LHS, 9z minus 4z is equal to 60. That is 9 minus 4 is 5z equal to 60. Z equal to 60 by 5. Both are multiples of 5. That is 5 ones are 5 in 60. 1 5s are 5. Balance 1, 2. 12 by 1 is the answer. Z is 12. Next is equation in y variable. That is 3y plus 4 whole by 2 minus 6y equal to minus 2 by 5. Here, this whole by can take to RHS. That is, outside the bracket will be minus 2. Inside the bracket, we have 2 minus 6y. Here, this 5 can be taken to LHS. That is, whole into 5. So, we can rewrite it as 5 into 3y plus 4. Close the bracket. Equal to minus 2 outside the bracket into 2 minus 6y. Close the bracket. Now, distribute this. If you forget to put this bracket, your whole solution will become incorrect because the meaning will be or the values will be entirely different other than this, because if there is no bracket, it means 5 into 3y, it is 15y plus 4. But we don't want this 15y plus 4 in LHS. We can check which is the value here. It is 5 3s are 15y plus 5 4s are 20. Okay. So it was not as before. Before we got, if we forget to put the bracket, it becomes 15y plus 4. It is not 15y plus 20. So always be sure you are putting the bracket wherever it need. Next, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Minus into minus plus 2 6s are 12y. Now you can rewrite this 15y minus 12y. Minus 4 here, minus 20 going to RHS. Now 15 minus 12 is 3y equal to, this become plus minus, both are negative, so minus 24. Y equal to minus 24 by 3, this 3. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24, minus 8 by 1. Y is minus 8. Next one, 7y plus 4 by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Here we can take this denominator to LHS part and this whole denominator to RHS part. It becomes 3 into 7y plus 4, close the bracket, is equal to minus 4 into y plus 2, close the bracket. 7 3s are 21y plus 12 is equal to minus 4y minus 8. Minus 4 into y minus 4y. Minus 4 into 2 minus 8. Now 21y, taking this to LHS, it becomes plus 4y equal to minus 8 here, taking plus 12 minus 12. So 21 plus 4 is 25y equal to, this become plus and minus, that is minus 12 plus 8 is minus 20. Now y is equal to minus 20 by 25. Both are multiples of 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. 5 4s are 20. The result will be negative 4 by 5. This is the least form. Next is statement problem. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. We don't know present ages, but we know the ratio of present ages, that is 5:7. I told you before, whenever you see the ratio, then you should make it as 5x and 7x, that is multiplying with x. Now present age of Hari is 5x and Harry is 7x. Now 4 years from now, this is their present age. 4 years from now means after 4 years. After 4 years, their age will be 5x plus 4. Harry's will be 5x plus 4 and Harry's will be 7x plus 4. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. That is, these ages ratio is given. Ratio means you want to find the division. That is 5x plus 4 by 7x plus 4. This is their ages ratio and it is given 3:4. it is given in the question. So their ratio of ages, their ages are like this, and their ratio of ages is equal to 3/4. In the question it is given 3:4, that is why we write it as 3/4. 3/4 converting to ratio, it is 3:4. 3:4 converting to fraction, it becomes 3/4. Now solving 4 into 5x plus 4, close the bracket, is equal to 3 into this 7x plus 4. Opening this bracket, 5 4s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 3 7s are 21x plus 4 3s are 12. Taking this 21 to LHS minus 21x, 12 is here, taking 16 minus 16. That is minus 1x. 20 minus 21 is minus 1x is equal to 12 minus 16, it is plus and minus and bigger number sign, that is minus 4. Here x is equal to minus 4. Taking this negative 1 to RHS, it becomes by negative 1. Negative by negative, result will be positive. Now 4 by 1, result is 4. So x is 4. Now what are their percentages? We took percentage of Harry was 5x. That is 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20 years. Harry is 20 years. Harry is 7 into 4. Harry is 7 into 4, that is 28 years. These are the present ages of Harry and Harry, 20 years and 28 years. The denominator, next question, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3/2. Find the rational number. So, numerator is smaller number, denominator is 8 greater than numerator. So, let us take numerator as x. Then denominator will be x plus 8, because it is given in the question denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Now, if the numerator is increased by 17, if this is the numerator and denominator, then how will you write the fraction? X by x plus 8. This is numerator and this is denominator. Now it is given, if you increase numerator by 17, increase means plus 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1, that is minus 1. This is the denominator and minus 1. The fraction becomes 3/2. So find the rational number. So here x plus 17 is here. Denominator x plus 8 minus 1 is x plus 7. 8 minus 1, 7. Now 3/2. We can rewrite it as linear equation. So 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. Now open 2x plus 17 into 2 is 34 is equal to 3 into x is 3x plus 3 7s are 21. Now take x parts to LHS. 2x minus 3x is equal to here 21, this taking to RHS minus 34. 2 minus 3, that is plus minus 1x is equal to 21 minus 34, again plus minus 13. Now x is equal to minus 13, this negative 1 taken to RHS by negative 1. Negative and negative becomes positive, 13 by 1 is 13. So the x is 13. We have numerator is 13 and denominator is 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8 is 21. 13 by 21 is the fraction. This is all in this chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. We can do more questions from this chapter later.